Hey everyone, it's Raven. Welcome back to the nest. What I'll be doing is stuffing my cash envelopes for the upcoming week. We are about midway through the paycheck budget. I get paid again next week. So like I said, if you are interested in seeing my cash stuffing for the week, stay tuned. Okay, so first let's go to home and personal. As some of you may know, some of you may not. Oh, sorry, I'm Raven. Thank you for coming back. If you are a returning viewer, if you are a new viewer, welcome, welcome. Definitely go ahead and hit that subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Returning viewers maybe know, possibly, that I only stuff home and personal every 2 weeks, essentially because I have a sort of a routine and a system down as far as personal expenditures and home. Now, what I consider in my personal expenditures, I consider that like personal care items like toothpaste, body wash, new toothbrush heads, like different stuff like that, floss picks, like all that kind of stuff. Also like vitamin purchases, you know, just stuff like that. I consider that kind of stuff personal purchases. Now home purchases, that is going to be stuff like, you know, detergent, light bulb, you know, just stuff that we need for like home care type stuff. So the system that I have down, I don't necessarily need to stuff this every week. I could split up the $25 that I allot to this every 2 weeks and split it up to, what's that, $12.50, but that really doesn't make sense. So I only stuff this one once every 2 weeks, and really for like the past, I think 2 paycheck budgets, I have not needed to spend anything in these 2 categories because we are pretty stocked up. There are maybe a couple of items I think I need to purchase, but they're not like really a super duper need. Like I think I have one, like a half a bottle of like mouthwash or something, so I may need to pick up like another 1 or 2 bottles of mouthwash because like I said, I have like half a bottle of that, but I don't really think I need anything, and I haven't needed anything for a minute. So for the last like 2 paycheck budgets, which has been like what, for the past 4 weeks, I have not needed to really spend this. So as you can see, the $25 that I allotted on 8/6 when I got paid, it is still in here, and it's probably going to remain in here because like I said, I don't really have anything I need to purchase for this. I really don't. Because I did pick up some vitamins earlier in the month of July. So I thought that maybe that, but no, I don't think I need anything for personal either. So the $25 is still definitely in here for personal. So the 2 envelopes that I will be filling is food and gas. And we're going to first start off with gas because it's the easiest one. Gas, I never have anything left over in gas, although I did happily decrease my gas budget down. What was it, in July, mid-July, don't remember. I went back down to just my regular $40 a week. I may, starting next paycheck budget, I may shift it to like 45 or 50. I may just round it up to 50, not because of any additional traveling that I need to be doing, but because gas prices have went up. I mean, they go up usually during the summertime anyway, but I don't think they went up like as much, or maybe I didn't notice because I had to increase my gas budget anyway. I don't know, but it just seems like $40 doesn't get me to a full tank, and it used to, but it doesn't. But I think if I put another $5 or $8 in the tank, I think it would be full. So I may just bump it up to like 45 or 50, probably just 50 just to round it out. But we're just going to keep doing our traditional $40 through this week. So we're going to get 2 20s, and we're going to put that on here. Today is the 13th, 8/13 deposit. And that's going to be a deposit of $40. So this is going to be for my gas purchase for the week, which I probably will need to fill up. Probably, I'm going to say maybe Wednesday. This may not even get used, to be honest, because I just filled up yesterday. So this I mean, the tank of gas I have in my car may carry me until I get paid again. So we'll see. We'll see when I do my cash stuffing next week if this $40 is still in here. Maybe not. Like I said, I may need to fill up again maybe midweek, but we'll see. But either way, that's my $40 ready. And then food, I've pretty much been maxing out on food this past week. When I went to the grocery store, I went on the 7th. I actually went over my amount. I allot $80 in a week, and I actually spent $96 at Sprouts. So what I did was the $80 that I had in here, I just gave her the cash for the $80, and then I swiped my debit card for the other $16 or whatever, $16 and the change. So I'm not going to adjust my food budget because I did go over because I deviated outside of my meal plan because Sprouts had their crab legs on sale. And I was like, I want some crab legs. So I had picked up a couple of pounds of that, and that's kind of what sent me over. But I wanted some crab legs, so I got it, whatever. But we are going to stuff this with $80 again. So I think we actually take all of this because those are really the only 4 categories I stuff. So let me actually go ahead and count this. That's going to be 20, 40, 50, 60, 65, 70, 75, 80. So let me fill this out. So it's going to be 8, 13. That's going to be a deposit of $80. And I will make sure to notate that when I get ready to close out this paycheck budget that I did. So far, I'm over, well, yeah, so far I'm over $16 as far as food goes. So we'll see this week. I don't think I need to go to the store again right now because I do well, I probably need to go and get some produce because, as you know, produce does not last that long. Or maybe I'm just not storing it properly. I don't know. But my produce doesn't seem to last long. Or is that, like, what? Maybe I should just Google that, like, how to properly store things. Like, you know, bell peppers and cucumbers and fruits and stuff, because maybe I'm just not storing it properly, but it never lasts long for me. But that is food stuffed and ready to go, whatever I decide to do. Like I said, I think I just need some produce stuff. I don't really need anything else, so this should be fine. I actually probably should have some left over unless we decide to go out to eat, which that's a possibility. All right, you guys, so this is it. And oh, I did make a purchase of some new cash envelopes, so that's why I'm still using these. You know, when you buy stuff on Etsy, a lot of it is made to order, so I think my stuff has like an estimated ship date of like August 15th or something, or maybe it said 13th. It said something 10th. I don't know. So I'll probably have it later towards the end of the month, maybe a little bit before the end of the month, maybe in the next week or so. I may have it within like the next week. So maybe next week when I do my cash stuffing, you will get to see my new envelopes, and I think they're gonna be so pretty. So I'm happy about that. But yeah, so this is probably gonna be the last time that you see these. But if you guys enjoyed this video, definitely give me a thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, definitely go ahead and hit the subscribe button as well as the notification bell so that you do not miss any more of my videos. Thanks, guys. Peace.